What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again on the pickup. And today's pair of shoes coming straight from Nike. These are, of course, another pair of Nike ACG Pegasus Trail. And the thing about these all-condition gear shoes that really makes sense is that these are so comfortable that you really could wear these anywhere. You don't necessarily have to wear these in the rain, in the snow, in the sleet, in the mountains, in the hills. But without further ado, let's take a look and see what we got so you can make that decision for yourself. So for $155, you're gonna get a shoe that has an amazing level of responsiveness. And I say that mostly in part because of the tech that's used in this shoe. You're gonna have the ReactX foam in the midsole, which you guys are pretty accustomed to if you've been watching the channel. And on top of that, this shoe is beautiful. It has a great amount of foam as well as a mesh upper. And like I said, ACG, this is really the shoe you wanna wear. This has all condition written all over it. Beautiful shoe, very, very comfortable. So ACG is what this is. You're gonna see that branding throughout the shoe. You're gonna see it right here at the front. You're gonna see it right here at the back. You're gonna see it right here at the middle. And what this says is the Pegasus Trail was designed, tested, and made on Earth for outdoor use. That's exactly what this is. And you can see that as soon as you put these on, and you can feel that as well. And I say that because of the amount of high traction on the outer sole. I mean, look at this right here. Now, these are thick enough where it doesn't quite feel like golf shoes, but enough where you can notice that these are the shoes that you'll be comfortable in, whether you're running or walking outside. And what you got right here, just a couple little notes right here for outside use. All-terrain compound O/RS052. I'll put that in the comments. I don't know what that means, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shoe. Extremely comfortable. Like I said, these are the shoes that you could wear casually and you'll be just fine. A few hints of reflectability in the back, pull tab, always a plus. A little bit of reflectability right here in these dots. And then of course, ACG all condition gear. The mesh design on these, I like it. Nice little mesh design. And of course, this right here is what you expect from Nike. A shoe that's very, very durable and is very functional. Now, how do these things feel? On the inside, you have just Pegasus Trail right here. And then on the other one, what do we have? Do we have just the ACG logo? And nothing too crazy, just a regular insole, but you do feel the ReactX on these, which is very, very responsive. And they also increase the thickness in this shoe, so you have more level responsiveness on here. This right here is a shoe that I highly recommend for you guys if you're gonna be wearing these as a trail runner. Now, how do these feel? These are pretty flat-footed, so you don't have, it's not much of an incline on these, but man, I love these. I love these. And $155, couldn't ask for anything better. So can you slip these things on with no hands? Yes, you can. If you have them pre-laced the way I do, you don't necessarily need that pull tab. Now, they've redone this shoe, so I have plenty of space. These are a 10.5, and as I was telling you guys, they redid the the toe box of the shoe. And a wider toe box basically means that you're gonna have more stability when you're actually doing those hikes, those climbs, which is amazing. And the height boost you're gonna gain on these is roughly a little under 2 inches, very shy of 2 inches. And can you slip these things off with no hands? Yes. Now the thing about this that makes it so much more comfortable is the all-terrain compound. And what that is that's basically more traction than the previous versions. They use that tech for this shoe, so these will last a little bit longer in theory because you have more traction, but it's not too much where it's uncomfortable and it feels spiky. So from the front of the shoe to the back of the shoe, we're looking at a little over 11 inches, maybe 11 1/4. And then its most narrowest point, 3 1/8. So right now it's doing it. See? So that blue light.
Oh, I was that light skin.
And as we
I always thought I was dark. This wig is
Looks good. We'll get some more.
they usually come. So that's why.
They do it every time. You already know. It's for the fans. It's for those who ain't with us. For those who ain't with us.
Okay, JustZay.